Hey Spooky Rebels, welcome back to 13 Days of Spooky Makes, and today we're going to be making a fun wall art piece that you can display all year round or in the Halloween season. I'm going to be using some hot press watercolor paper and this Nouveau shimmer powder in Lilac Waterfall. You have to gently press on it, and that's what I was doing, but it exploded on the corner over there. So this was a lot of fun to play with, and I'm definitely going to be wanting to pick up some more colors. It's really pretty. So a tip when using this product, if you let it air dry, the colors will dry more vibrant, but if you go in with a heat gun, it will dry more pastel and soft lights. So you can achieve different looks with this one product, and I think it's really cool. So I use both the heat gun and also I let it air dry as well. And so I think I didn't use the proper watercolor paper. I used hot press, but I think maybe I would have achieved a different effect with cold press paper. So it's all about experimenting. So as you can see, I'm adding more layers. I just wasn't getting the effect I was looking for, so I just kept playing with it and adding more of the shimmer powder in little spots. How cool would it be if they made a Halloween product like this, like orange and black? I don't know if it would work out because maybe it'll turn to brown, but it would have been really cool to have like a color burst of similar orangey Halloween-y colors. That would be so fun. So now I'm going in with stencils and ink colors that match the Nouveau shimmer powder that I used. And I'm just going to go around in different spots and add different shapes with the different stencils I'm using and different colors, just having fun with it. So here I'm just distressing the edge of my art panel. By the way, this is a 5x7 wall art piece that I'm designing. So I'm just distressing with dark soot now, and it just ties everything together. I'm adding this white opaque paint that I have in my stash, and you can use any white paint or spray that you have, and I'm just mixing it with a little bit of water, and I'm using a toothbrush to create some fun splatters on the background. So this is my finished background. I think it looks really, really cute, but I'm gonna go in now one step further with this Dilution stencil. This is my favorite skull stencil ever. I'm using the Nouveau Glimmer Paste in the Moonstone. You've seen me use this already in one of the projects this series, but I just love it so much. I had to add some more little iridescent skulls to this piece. It's gonna look really cute in the end, just you wait and see. So again, I'm just adding this paste in random spots throughout the art print. And this is what it looks like all dried up. I think it turned out really, really cool. So now it's time to decorate it. I'm just gonna use a simple sticker that says "Stay Weird." I think it's perfect for the Halloween season as well as every day. I created this project with colors that I like and the sticker to keep in mind that I'm gonna probably wanna display this all year round. So I'm using another one of my favorite stencils. I got this a while back at a dollar store, so I'm sorry I can't link up to it. And I'm just using white gesso, and I'm just gonna add this little skeleton guy peeking out from the corner. I think he looks so freaking cute like that. And just to make it brighter, I'm going in with that white paint that I have. It's PH Martin, I think it's called. So now I'm adding glittery enamel dots in random spots that match the colors of the background as well. And that's it. It's so freaking cute. I love it so much. It has a perfect little spooky touch. And I have this creepy gothic kind of frame in my stash, and it's the perfect frame for this art piece. And there you have it. I think it turned out really, really cool. I can't wait to display it this Halloween season, and I hope you guys get inspired from this project. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do recreate it, don't forget to post it in the Facebook group. I can't wait to see what you come up with. All right, everyone, I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.